In 2017, I was invited to a residency, Our Body and Hands in Water, hosted by the Kala Chaupal in Jaipur. I was offered a collaboration with Ojas, a textile unit in Bagru, 35 kilometers outside of Jaipur, that specialized in dabu or mud resist printing and vegetable dyeing. My collaborator on the project became the very experienced textile designer Raj Kanwar, who had founded Ojas. I myself am an artist printmaker by training, with a deep interest in the textile traditions of South and Southeast Asia. While printmaking has an intrinsic affinity with the textile arts, I do lack technical expertise in textile practices. I am, however, inspired by its histories and aesthetics, all of which I absorb and appropriate in my practice. I hail from Kolkata, which has a large Marwari community that has become an integral part of the city's economic, social, and cultural fabric. Since migration as a phenomenon interests me, I chose to investigate how this community from Rajasthan made Kolkata its home. Shekhawati, from where most of Kolkata's Marwaris hail, used to originally be a part of the Jaipur state. On an earlier visit to Rajasthan, I had looked exhaustively at the frescoes that are found in these painted havelis in Shekhawati. Appropriating the pictorial language of the Shekhawati frescoes, I created a picture map of the migration from this dry, arid region plagued by a paucity of water to the rapidly industrializing city of Kolkata in fertile Bengal, where water flows in great abundance. Using resources, materials, mediums, and languages native to the long-standing water-sensitive craft traditions of Bagru, I collaborated with Ojas to create a textile work using mud-resist printing, natural dyes, and pigment printing. I further supplemented these with applique and embroidery, as is my practice. The object I chose to simulate is synonymous with the Buddha's body as per Tibetan Buddhist belief. Its slow rotating aspect is significant of the all-enveloping nature of true faith. The parallel I draw is representative of the phenomenon of migration itself, which has always seemed to me like the flowing of a river and its ability to assimilate everything in its wake.